Hi, this is Kirsten Bullock with Growing Your Donors. Thanks for joining me for this second tip in my video series aimed towards helping you grow great fundraising results through increased understanding and better communication. In the first video, we talked about the importance of understanding that each of us brings a different perspective to our work. In other words, everyone doesn't think the same way, and that's okay. In fact, I think there's great value in our diversity. Today, we'll go back in time to about 20 years ago when I was working on an undergraduate degree in social work. In one of our interpersonal skills classes, we talked about the concept of systems theory. That is, the understanding that each of us are a part of different systems around us, and that it's nearly impossible to create dramatic change for one person in a family system without working with the entire family. That's because when one thing changes, often the rest of the system resists. And we're each a part of multiple systems. We're part of a family, part of a workplace, perhaps part of a club or a church. Within our workplaces even, we're often a part of different systems. Our own department, perhaps the executive team or a management team. The truth remains, though, any time one part of a system or workplace changes, resistance will form. In my opinion, it's not because people are resistant to what is changing, simply resisting any change at all. You might be wondering what this has to do with great fundraising. Let's go back to the report from Clayton Burnett I mentioned yesterday. One of the indicators they identified as enabling fundraising to thrive was high-quality thinking, including recognizing the systems that exist in an organization and being able to manage those systems to achieve change. Once we understand that no one operates in a vacuum, we can start looking at the overall picture and change our approach, rather than get frustrated when we see that resistance starting. I hope you can join me on May 9th for a free webinar that will dive more into the report from Clayton Burnett, as well as provide a structure for understanding communication styles. Please visit my website at www.growingyourdonors.com for more information and to register at no charge for the webinar. I look forward to seeing you there.